The final touch to roadmap prioritization is to sort out our feature list based on costs, value linked to each features, and received value from a customer's point of view. To do so, we will define a simple indicators that will help us structure all those features into stages. Here are mine as examples. As you can see on my feature list, now I have these columns, the rank one, where I just put an addition of the previous factors, the workload, the value factors, and the customers. And based on that, it provides me a simple indicators that can be taken into consideration when we want to describe what is the stage 1 and what should be the stage 2. So in that case, on my worksheet, the stage 1 will be all the features that are over the rank of 23. And the stage 2 will be every features that are over 15. So we can even do a sort features on Excel. Here, add a filter as example. And here, I can filter it ascending. Here we go. And now I can figure out what are my main features for the version 1 of my product. The formula I provided in this Excel sheet template is simply an addition, but you can customize it according to what criteria you consider the most important for you. Once you've done it, you might notice that some related or dependent features might not be in the same stage. And the best way to check it is to put every features on a post-it and then to finish sort them out on a paperboard or simply on a wall. Here is how I recommend you to do it. Put all your features into columns like this. But for every version of your product or service, we also need to check that you have relevant ecosystem with a balanced business model. Therefore, we will add every kind of person like partners, providers, sellers that is in your ecosystem and check that each of them give and above all received at least some value from your service or product. It should look like this. This allows you to double check that you give and get value to each of them at every stage. As an example, if your solution is to provide a peer-to-peer transaction, you will need to provide values to the sellers and buyers in order to grow. So put all your features on the paperboard like this. Basically, if you want to try to attract two kinds of users, be sure to provide value manually to the ecosystem. It's almost impossible to build and grow an ecosystem without incentivizing it. As an example, talking about buyers and sellers, you might consider starting to provide a simple services to at least attract one of the categories, while for the others, you will already be in your targeted business model. So you might get the point. According to your project, business model or related or features relation, adapt each version to be independent and balanced from a both functional point of view and also a business model point of view. Ready? Let's do it for your product.